Hello students, in this video we are going to study unit number 5, that is inheritance, packages and interfaces of object-oriented programming, that is part 3. In this part we are going to study about packages. What is mean by packages in Java programming? Using a package in Java programming is very simple. Just include a command package or a keyword package at the beginning of the program. The syntax of declaring package is shown below, that is package name and package name you have to write. This package statement defines the namespace in which the classes are stored. If we omit the package, then the default class are put into package that has no name. Basically, Java creates a directory and the name of this directory becomes the package name. For example, what we have written package my underscore package. Therefore, automatically a directory my underscore package is created in the home folder. Then we must create a directory name my underscore package in the current working directory, and the required classes must be stored in the directory. Note the name of the package and the name of the directory must be same. This name is case sensitive. Now we'll see how to create and access or use a package in Java programming. The step 1, create a folder named as my package. Step 2, create one class which contains minimum 2 methods. We'll store this class in a file named a.java. For example, this file will be stored in the folder my package. Therefore, how to write that program, we will see this. So therefore, initially we are declaring one package, and for that we have used the keyword as package, and the name of the package is my underscore package. In this, I have created one class having public access specifier, in which I have created or declaring a variable having name a, which is of integer type. Afterwards, I have called public void set main value as an inti- a function in class A, in which I am putting the value of n in class A. Afterwards, I have declared another variable, that is display, where I am displaying the value of A, and this all thing is stored into by the name as a.java. This file is stored, program is stored by the name a.java, and it is stored in my package folder, which is in home. Afterwards, the step 3 will be, now we will write another Java program named as package demo.java. This program will use the methods defined in class A. The source file is also stored in the subdirectory my package. And now we'll see the Java program, another Java program, that is package demo. Here I'm importing my package dot a class package demo, in which I have written the main function, and in main function I am creating the object of class A, which we have written earlier, which is another program which is saved in by the name as a.java. And here I am calling both the functions of class A, that is set underscore value and display, and both the functions are called now because the we are importing the package also and the class also. Therefore, we have written initially, that is import my underscore package dot a. Now set step 4. Now the using command prompt will run this program. So for that, initially we'll set the path of home folder. That here my home folder is D drive, therefore I'll set class path as D. Then I will go to my package. For that I will use a command, that is cd my underscore package, and in my underscore package I will run that a.java file, that is a class A program. That is, for that I will type java c a.java. After compilation, I will not run a.java. I will run another Java program, that is of Java C package demo.java. In this, afterwards, my package, now I'll run package demo, and you can see the value of 10 a is will be displayed as 10. Hence, in this way, we can run a package using Java program using a package. Lastly, we'll see how to import a package. For importing a package, we have two ways of importing a package. That is, method one, we'll see we import the Java package class using method import. Suppose we want to use data class, store it Java util package, then we write the import statement at the beginning of the program as shown in the below diagram. Another method, there are some situations in which we want to make use of several classes stored in the package, then we write as import java.util. In this way we can import packages. There are different packages already created in Java, which are applet, awt, io, language, net, util, etc. Hence you can use all these packages in Java programming. That comes to an end of packages video. Thank you.